Hello guys, today we will talk about the different habitats of animals. So let's get started. Our number one is tropical evergreen forests. These forests are also called tropical rainforests. These thick forests occur in the region near the equator and close to the tropics. These regions are hot and receive heavy rainfall throughout the years. As there is no particular dry season, the trees do not shed their leaves altogether. So, this is the reason they are called evergreen. The thick canopies of the closely spaced trees do not allow the sunlight to penetrate inside the forest, even in the daytime, also. The hardwood trees like rosewood, ebony, mahogany are common here, whereas animals like one-horned rhinos, lemurs, deer, sloths, snails, scorpions, etc. are common. Next is tropical deciduous forest. Tropical deciduous forest, monsoon forest, found in the large part of India, northern Australia, and in central Canada. These regions experience seasonal changes. Trees shed their leaves in the dry season to conserve water. The hardwood trees found in these forests are sal, teak, neem, and sheshan. The hardwood trees are extremely useful for making furniture, transport, and constructional materials. Tigers, lions, elephants, langurs, and monkeys are the common animals of these regions. Next is temperate evergreen forests. The temperate evergreen forests are located in the mid-latitudinal coastal regions. They are commonly found along the eastern margin of the continents that are in the southeast USA, South China, and in the southeast Brazil. They comprise both hard and softwood trees like oak, pine, eucalyptus, etc. As we go towards higher latitudes, there are more temperate deciduous forests. These are found in the northeastern parts of USA, China, New Zealand, and Chile, and also found in the coastal regions of Western Europe. They shed their leaves in the dry season. The common trees are oak, ash, beech, etc. Deer, foxes, wolves are the animals commonly found here. Birds like pigeons, monals are also found here. Next is the Mediterranean vegetation. You have learned that most of the east and northeast margins of the continents are covered by temperate evergreen and deciduous forests. The west and southwest margins of the continents are different. They have Mediterranean vegetation. It is mostly found in the areas around the Mediterranean Sea in Europe, Africa, and Asia, hence the name. It is also found outside the actual Mediterranean region in the California in USA, Southwest Africa, Southwestern South America, and Southwest and Australia. These regions are marked for hot, dry summers and mild, rainy winters. Citrus fruits such as oranges, figs, olives, and grapes are the natural vegetation in order to cultivate what they want. There isn't much wildlife here. Next is coniferous forests. In the higher latitudes, 50 degree to 70 degree of northern hemisphere, the spectacular coniferous forests are found. These are also called as taiga. These forests are also seen in the higher altitudes. These are the trees with salima found in the Himalayas in the abundance. They are tall and softwood evergreen trees. Woods of these trees are very useful for making pulp, which is used for manufacturing paper and newsprint. Cheer, pine, cedar are the important varieties of trees in these forest regions, whereas silver fox, mink, polar bears are the common animals found here. Next is tropical grasslands. These occur on either side of the equator and extend till the tropics. This vegetation grows in the areas of moderate to low amount of rainfall. The grasses can grow very tall, about 3 to 4 meters in height. The savanna grasslands of Africa are of this type. Elephants, zebras, giraffes, deers, leopards are common in these tropical grasslands. Next is temperate grasslands. These are found in the mid-latitudinal zones and in the interior part of the continents. Usually, grasses here is short and nutritious, while buffaloes, bisons, antelopes are common in the temperate region. The last one is thorny bushes. These are found in the dry desert-like regions. The tropical deserts are located in the western margins of the continents. The vegetation cover is scarce here because of scanty rain and scorching heat. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please like this video and subscribe my channel, and also click the bell icon and set it to the all options so that you won't miss my videos. So meet you in another video. Bye.